Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Passage number 56. Islamabad colon, while highlighting uncertainty about the federal budget and economic conditions ahead, the center on Saturday asked the provinces to formulate their budgets based on their own best assessments and the past performance of the Federal Board of Revenue. Full stop. This is not a divine revelation and is subject to adjustment if God forbid its pandemic's severity increases or it prolongs, said advisor to the Prime Minister on Finance and Revenue, Dr. Hafiz Sheikh, at his post-budget news conference on Saturday. Full stop. New para. For now, we have presented an annual budget. Like always, full stop. He said there were arguments that once a revenue target of rupees 4.9 trillion or rupees 4.6 trillion is set by the center, the provinces would make their budgets on that projection. Full stop. The FBR has seldom achieved tax targets given to it over the years, and its collection has actually gone down over the last 2 years. Full stop. Since more than 57.7% of total federal taxes are meant for the provinces under the National Finance Commission award, they end up making a higher expenditure and later face fiscal problems as revenue targets fail. Full stop. New para. He said international institutions IMF, ADB, World Bank, Islamic Development Bank, and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank stood by Pakistan, because the government wanted to move ahead with fiscal discipline without putting hands in the people's pockets, and instead wanted to facilitate them due to the current difficult situation. Full stop. At the same time, he said, this did not mean to give up efforts to increase tax collection. Full stop. So we have set aspirations for a target and would make best efforts with complete sincerity to achieve it. Full stop. But I cannot say with confidence or anybody else what lies ahead, he said. Full stop. He said the government was committed to documenting the economy, but with seriousness and sensitivity. Full stop. He said if the provinces believed their forecasts could be better and they had been watching the FBR performance over the years that was different from reality, they should make their own decisions based on better assessment. Full stop. However, he added, the center had asked the provinces to reduce their costs, increase their own revenues, and make forecasting the way they find better. Full stop. There was a need for coordination on all those issues, and the center would go for better coordination once the budget process was over, he claimed. Full stop. New paragraph. The advisor said discussions with the International Monetary Fund would be started soon for a future line of action, but said it was a bad tendency to portray the relationship as orders and obedience, enjoying a central position in the international financial environment, the IMF, of which Pakistan was one of 200 members, wanted the country to be run in a responsible manner, comma, Dr. Sheikh said, full stop. We have shown to the world that we are ready to spend according to our resources and can take tough decisions when needed, full stop. We have a very good relations with the IMF, comma, the PM's advisor said, comma, adding that it was the fund that took the lead in approving $1.4 billion emergency funds when COVID-19 hit the country, full stop. New para. The advisor said the government could not be held responsible for coronavirus pandemic, comma, which had brought difficult times for the world, full stop. Pakistan virtually suffered over rupees 3 trillion losses to the national income and it could not be exactly estimated, comma, nor could it be predicted, comma, for how long the pandemic would go on and what would be its intensity, comma, he said, full stop, in the form of lower revenue collection, comma, about rupees 900 billion loss had been inflicted due to COVID-19, comma, he added, full stop. New para. Dr. Sheikh sidestepped questions as to why the cost of various tax exemptions had increased to rupees 1.1 trillion this year that last year stood slightly on the lower side, a total of rupees 2.2 trillion in 2 years when the government was claiming to have withdrawn tax exemptions, full stop. He referred the question to the FBR chairperson, who said disclosure on the documents was a requirement of the public finance management law along with details, full stop. Another tax official said no tax exemption was withdrawn in the next year's budget, but last year's exemptions withdrawn were to the extent of rupees 350 billion, full stop. New para. The advisor said the government had given over rupees 50 billion relief in taxes and duties in the budget for industrialization and promotion of private business sector, comma, which was government's top priority, full stop. He said that import duties on 1623 tariff lines, thousands of items had been withdrawn and reduced on some 200 other lines, full stop. Likewise, comma, he said, comma, about 10 types of withholding taxes had been withdrawn in the next year's budget, full stop. The capital gain on tax on the construction sector had been reduced from 1.5% to 0.5%, and the federal excise duty on cement was reduced by 0.25%, full stop. The purpose of these measures is to provide maximum relief to the business and industrial sector, as these incentives would reduce the cost of business and encourage more people to invest. That would lead to job creation, comma, he added, full stop. New para. Dr. Sheikh said the government reduced its expenditures wherever possible and took very tough decisions, and no increase in expenditures of the PM House and the President House was allowed, full stop. Responding to a question, comma, the advisor said saving rates and per capita incomes could be increased only when national income was increased or population growth rate was controlled, for which revenue was required to be increased, full stop. This had to be done through smart measures, as the government did not want to add tax burden on the existing taxpayers, he added, full stop.